So this is how you disassemble a Delta 2 faucet, bathroom faucet. I just disassembled it, and initially I thought it's quite tough to disassemble it. Required me several hours of research. Not so much in the internet that I can find. So after hours of figuring out how to remove this, I will like to share this video to you all so that whoever has Delta bathroom faucet and want to replace it, make it easier for everybody. So this is the first thing to do when you remove a faucet, is to remove this handle. This handle come on top here with a hex screw, a tiny hex screw. I think it's a 6/64, pretty tiny. This is actually not easy to do, since especially if it's old, but this is one of the tough part of it, is to remove this screw. Once you don't need to remove the whole screw, just loosen it and pull it out. This is a flat screw here, and it just put a pressure on it. So once you remove this one, this handle, by loosening this screw, the next thing that you have to do, and this is how it goes here, you will see these things here. Actually, this is on top of the sink, is this a rubber gasket, and this ring here, and a plastic ring that is on top of it. The second thing to remove is this round screw, which is easy to remove using a pliers like this. You can easily remove it. The next tough thing to remove is this one here. This white is usually attached inside this here, but it has a hole in between. This is where I fried it with a screwdriver slowly, try to pry it out, and then I pull it out with pliers. I pull this out with the pliers after frying a little bit out, and then pry the hole out. Once this is out, everything goes out, including this. So that's the first thing. Same thing you have to do on the other side. So when you took these things out, the only thing that's left is this faucet here. This faucet is only supported by this screw from underneath, and actually when you remove these two, you can actually go down and pull the whole thing out. Of course, up to you, or either you unscrew the hose from below, or you can screw it here. I usually did it from below, so when I pull these things out, everything came out. Then I came out and just disassembled the hose from the outside the sink, so it's easier. So what is left on your sink will be this way, this one here, and all you need to do is to go under the sink, and this is the tough part, is to unscrew this. Sometimes it gets stuck, but I use this screw this way and slowly pry myself out. But once you remove the hard part, you just use your hand to unscrew it and then pull it from the top, and you're all done. So that's how it is. Took me hours and hours of research, and just a few minutes. Once you all know what's going on, of course, you have to, this is also underneath this one here, so you have to remove this plug from underneath before you pull this out. You have to remove this end first. Okay, that's all. And by the way, if you want to remove, just replacing parts, it's easy now, because this can just be pulled out, replace the gasket and things like that. And that's it. Thank you. Hope this helped your kitchen work and bathroom work. I'm not a professional. This is the first time I did it, and just figure out that removing this bathroom sink Delta is not doing more work under the sink, but it's more work above the sink. This is taken out from above the sink, and once it's more above, and pull it down, then this is the only thing that you do underneath the sink, is this one here, by unscrewing this. That's all. Thank you.